a heavy road, through days that felt so slow. But still I held my breath and prayed for strength to grow. The dark would block my view, but I kept pushing through. And every silent pain became a guide so true. All the trials shaping